In this video, I'm going to show you essentially how you can spy on your competitors' ads in LinkedIn to give you a really good idea on how to create maybe some of your own. So, for example, I'm just on my LinkedIn home feed right here, and the first company that is advertising on my feed is this Infinity. I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what they do, but I'm just going to use them as an example. So let's say we wanted to see what types of ads Infinity are using. And basically, to be able to do this, what we need to do is go ahead and click on their LinkedIn profile. And then on the left hand side, what you can actually see is a little section right here that says see a collection of active or past ads by Infinity. And if you go ahead and click view ad library, what you're actually going to get access to is all of the different ads that they have created in the past. And essentially, it's not just this company you can do it for. You can go ahead and search any company in the search bar right here. So for example, I can go ahead and type in Canva and then go ahead and click, maybe let's just select our country right here, which is the United Kingdom. So let's go and find that. Click done. Go ahead and click search. And what we can see is all of the different Canva ads that Canva are actually using in the United Kingdom, so we can get some inspiration of our own, maybe if we were a competitor of this company. I think this is a really useful tool, especially if you're starting to create ads on LinkedIn, and it's a really good way to actually get that inspiration on where you can start with yours to see what is working for others. But anyways, I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.